Adan Harake uria wari munini wa murugamiri munene wa NYS na Hassan Nur uria wari muikiririte wa kamiti ya uheani wa kandarathi ministry ya wathani wa matura marutiro wa radi cia guikio ngono thutha wa kwa gwikinya igoti-ini hamwe nao ni angi anare no matana kinya igoti-ini magikuruhanio na ngukumio iyo ya shilingi milioni 791.
I therefore conclude that they have deliberately and knowingly absented themselves from court. I hereby issue warrants of arrest against the said 2nd, 4th, 6th, 10th, 15th and 16th accused persons.
Muigana wa andu 28 nio marathitangwo iguru ria ngukumio iyo. Thitango-ini ya mbere 18 na ao marathitangirwo kunyitanira gutafania uici wa kigina kia muingi na njira ya kuriha kambuni ya Blue Stars makiria ma shilingi milioni 47.6. Thitango-ini ya keri Peter Mangiti athitangirwo kuthiri muru wa ofisi Adan Harake na agithitangirwo gukigamia kigina kia muingi mugaru wa watho thitango-ini ya gatatu. Ningi andu angi 12 haria cio nare ni amemba a kamiti ya kandarathi ministry ya wathani wa matura ni mathitangirwo gukiruka watho.
Through these summons, I will obligate Mr. Wandugi and Mr. Karoki to produce the accused persons in court on the date that we agree upon.
No Mangiti yashoka kurekererio na bodi ya shilingi milioni 1.
250,000. That's the lowest I've given. I considered your situation.
Igoti ni igeneria atianiria bodi ya shilingi 50,000 iria Harake na Nur meriga kurekererio na shuni maafitha a borithi.
Yes.
Mbere ya gukinyio igoti-ini kamiti ya korona gukumio EACC rokire kumikia ngono na kumatwara ofisini ya kamiti yo. Othe marokirio ofisini yo na baadhi ino mbere ya gutwarwo igoti-ini ya Milimani. No minister wa tene wa wathani wa matura Anne Waiguru nti umwe wa aria maikirio ngono kamiti ya EACC akiuga thabari no hindi ya mbiriria.
No, this is the PS and the senior directors, both in NYS and the Devolution Ministry, for this particular one. Yeah.
Is this the last of the NYS investigations or this is just
No, this is just part of it. In fact, it's one of the first few.
Kamiti iyo ningi no iranire no iguthie na mbere na gutashukiria makinyari ya marakuruhanio na ngukumio iyo. Na ikinyari rirukitio thiku imwe tu thutha wa igoti guteaniria itanya ria Adan Harake kugiriria guthitango gwake gikuruhanio na ngukumio ino. Angi magweteirwo ngukumio no mari hamwe na Anne Mubi wa iguru minister wa tene wa wathani wa matura na mujuria Josephine Kafura. Ngirifuatira Inoro TV ritwara kuna Macharia wa Gachuru.